Crucial meeting has just taken place. We have seen the opening remarks by both the sides, and of course, Aniset Doval has begun with the fact that 9 months after 9 months, the relations is in the upward trajectory, of course, and he has also mentioned that the last year, the 23rd round of special representative talks was successful. Now that the bilateral relations is gaining momentum, and of course, the Chinese counterpart has also assured that, of course, peace and tranquility in the border will be maintained by both the sides. So yes, a very, very crucial understanding between both the sides now coming after years of clashes, skirmishes between both the countries ever since the Galwan Valley clash took place, and of course the Doklam for that matter. So yes, this particular meeting is not just a meeting, but yes, two rivalry, the South Asian giants meeting after years of clashes. So yes, looking forward as to what could be the outcome of this meeting now that both the countries have conveyed to each other that the bilateral ties is moving towards upward trajectory is something which is very crucial for the entire international community, especially for the US.
Yes, now that we know that External Affairs Minister meeting Chinese Foreign Minister, when he has said that, both, of course, we have seen the Chinese embassy statement noting that, China and India must lead the global south, a huge statement coming in because, after years of rivalry, now both the nation has taken a decision to come on board and to the meeting table and discussed the issues. And this particular visit comes after 7 years. And of course, as far as the Galwan Valley clash is concerned, and now India has also once again reiterated its Taiwan stand when it comes to one China policy. Of course, the stand on Taiwan and made it clear that, of course, we share an economic ties with Taiwan. There is an understanding with both the nation, and also now that China, India are also, moving ahead to build a better ties between both the nations. And we are looking forward to a very, very crucial meeting to be taking place between the Chinese Foreign Minister and the Prime Minister of India, that's Narendra Modi, from sometimes now at 5:30 p.m. So yes, a very crucial meet is underway, and this is a huge diplomatic development. And the Chinese embassy has also stated clearly.
And the Chinese embassy has also stated clearly that, China, India must lead the global south, defy unilateralism, and shape a multipolar future. This was also reiterated by External Affairs Minister yesterday during the meeting with the Chinese Foreign Minister.